So form validation is built right into FormGet to allow you to get right information from right kind of people. With form validation, if you like, you can actually validate certain fields depending upon your use case. For example, if you create a email field and define a email validation, it won't accept that field from the customer if a customer enters a wrong email address. Similarly, if you define any specific field to receive the maximum number of characters up to a certain limit, that specific field will not accept the characters above that specific threshold that you defined. Similarly, you can actually define a specific field to be required. So, for example, if someone enters the detail and that specific field is a required field, it will go through, but if that specific user does not fill that field, it will not go through and the form will not be submitted. Similarly, there would be a CAPTCHA validation, so that bots or robots can't auto submit a specific form. So, you, if required, you can add CAPTCHA validation to your form as well. With validations, you can actually ensure that you are getting right data out of the right people in an efficient way without them having to submit a wrong information to you. So, for example, if someone is trying to submit a number into a email address field, the email address field will just reject that number and will ask them to submit the right email address, and the form will not be submitted till the right detail is not being entered into that specific email address field. Similarly, if a specific field is made as a required field, the user cannot leave that field empty till that field is ensured that it should be a required field. So, form validation is something that ensures that you are getting right data and right data out of your customers, and you are not getting any of those data that is not useful for you. So, form validation is an interesting feature that is built right into FormGet, and I am pretty sure that you will get tons of value out of this. So, thanks for watching this video, and I do hope to see you using the form validation in your form to make your form really trustworthy as well as useful for you. So, thanks for watching.